The 1969 Nissan Datsun 240Z is an icon that redefined the sports car market and left a lasting legacy in automotive history. Born out of Nissan's ambition to create a stylish, high-performance, and affordable sports car, the 240Z took the world by storm. With sleek lines, a long hood, and a short rear deck, it embodied the essence of a true sports coupe. The low-slung body and aggressive stance were inspired by European designs, yet the 240Z carried a distinctive Japanese touch. The round headlights, sharp contours, and aerodynamic shape made it a head-turner, capturing the essence of speed and precision. Under the hood, the 240Z packed a powerful 2.4-liter inline-six engine, delivering 151 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. This engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, provided a thrilling driving experience that enthusiasts craved. Acceleration was smooth yet aggressive, with a 0 to 60 mph time of around 8 seconds, impressive for its time. The rear-wheel drive setup ensured that handling was sharp, offering a balanced and responsive ride. The independent suspension system, a rarity in affordable sports cars of that era, gave the 240Z excellent cornering capabilities and a stable feel at high speeds. The car's lightweight construction further enhanced its performance, making it a true driver's car. Step inside, and the interior of the 1969 Nissan Datsun 240Z was a perfect blend of simplicity and functionality. Designed with the driver in mind, the cockpit was focused on delivering a pure driving experience. The bucket seats were supportive, providing ample comfort for long drives while keeping the driver firmly in place during spirited driving. The low seating position gave a race car-like feel, making the driver feel connected to the road. The 3-spoke steering wheel, wrapped in leather, was thin yet precise, offering direct feedback. The dashboard layout was clean, featuring a set of round analog gauges that displayed speed, RPM, fuel level, and engine temperature. The tachometer was placed front and center, emphasizing the car's performance-oriented nature. The center console housed a simple but effective setup, with a manual gear shifter that had a short, crisp throw, adding to the engaging driving experience. The climate controls were basic but functional, with rotary dials for adjusting the fan speed and temperature. A classic AM/FM radio was included, providing entertainment for those long highway drives. The materials used in the interior were a mix of vinyl and soft-touch plastics, durable enough to withstand years of use. Despite being a budget-friendly sports car, the 240Z's cabin exuded a sense of quality and craftsmanship. The door panels were minimalistic yet stylish, featuring armrests and chrome door handles that added a touch of elegance. The windows were manually operated, a common feature in cars of that era. The rear cargo area was surprisingly spacious for a sports coupe, making the 240Z a practical choice for weekend getaways. The hatchback design allowed for easy access to the storage area, which was large enough to accommodate luggage or a set of golf clubs. This practicality set the 240Z apart from many of its competitors, making it a versatile sports car that could be used daily. On the road, the 240Z delivered an exhilarating driving experience. The smooth power delivery of the inline-six engine made acceleration effortless, while the precise steering allowed for confident cornering. The car's lightweight design contributed to its agility, making it feel nimble and responsive. Whether cruising on the highway or attacking winding roads, the 240Z provided a sense of connection between driver and machine that few cars could match. The exhaust note was deep and throaty, adding to the car's sporty character. At higher RPMs, the engine came alive, urging the driver to push it harder. The 4-speed manual transmission was well geared, ensuring that power was readily available in every gear. Braking performance was solid for its time, with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes providing adequate stopping power. The suspension setup struck a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, making the car enjoyable to drive on both smooth highways and bumpy back roads. The independent rear suspension was a standout feature, contributing to the car's stability and ride quality. Unlike many sports cars of that era, which had a harsh ride, the 240Z managed to offer a relatively smooth and comfortable driving experience. The exterior design of the 240Z was timeless. The long hood and sloping roofline gave it a classic Grand Tour look, while the flared fenders added a touch of aggression. The chrome bumpers and trim pieces provided a premium feel, contrasting beautifully against the vibrant paint colors offered by Nissan. The 14-inch steel wheels, fitted with chrome hubcaps, completed the look, giving the car a stylish yet purposeful stance. The pop-out rear quarter windows were a unique design feature, adding a bit of flair while aiding ventilation inside the cabin. One of the biggest reasons for the 240Z's success was its affordability. While many European sports cars offered similar performance, they came at a significantly higher price. The 240Z provided an exciting driving experience without breaking the bank, making it accessible to a wide range of enthusiasts. This affordability, combined with its reliability, made the 240Z a favorite among car lovers. Unlike many high-maintenance European sports cars, the 240Z was built with durability in mind. Its engine was known for being robust, capable of running for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. The straightforward mechanical components made repairs and maintenance relatively easy, adding to its appeal. Over the years, the 240Z has become a highly sought-after classic. Enthusiasts and collectors appreciate its blend of style, performance, and practicality. Restored examples fetch high prices, with some pristine models commanding six-figure sums at auctions. The aftermarket support for the 240Z is extensive, with numerous upgrades available to enhance performance, handling, and aesthetics. Many owners opt for engine swaps, suspension modifications, and custom paint jobs to personalize their cars while retaining the essence of the original design. The impact of the 240Z on the automotive world cannot be overstated. It paved the way for future generations of the Z car lineup, influencing models like the 280Z, 300ZX, and the modern Nissan Z. The philosophy of delivering an affordable yet high-performance sports car continues to be a core principle of Nissan's Z series. The 240Z also played a crucial role in establishing Nissan as a serious player in the global sports car market. It helped change perceptions of Japanese cars, proving that they could be more than just economy vehicles. They could be exciting, stylish, and capable of competing with European and American sports cars. Driving a well-preserved 240Z today is a nostalgic experience, a journey back to an era when cars were simple, engaging, and designed with passion. The raw mechanical feel, the unfiltered connection between driver and road, and the timeless design make it a car that continues to captivate enthusiasts. Whether it's the thrill of hearing the inline-six engine roar to life, the joy of shifting through the gears, or the admiration it receives at car shows, the 240Z remains a legendary machine. For those lucky enough to own one, the 240Z is more than just a car, it's a piece of history. A symbol of innovation, and a testament to Nissan's vision. It represents a time when driving was about emotion and excitement, when cars were built to be experienced rather than just driven. As the years go by, the 240Z's legacy only grows stronger, cementing its place as one of the greatest sports cars of all time.